Okay. Left the little exit door open. Went to the bathroom. Cleaned my room. And a cat walked by. Scared the shit out of me. Now he's sitting in here sleeping like he lives here. And I can't get rid of him. And he's going night-night. Wake up, kitty. It's time to go home. Go home. He just made himself at home. Kitty, 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 kitty. Meow. 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 What the hell? Only me, who has a cat walk into their house and make himself at home. Kitty, 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 kitty. He's going to sleep. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Go. 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 Shoo. Not even a flinch. Wow. I think I have a new roommate. Because he will leave. You are crazy, kitty.